Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract success like a magnet, while others struggle to achieve their dreams? Could it be more than just luck or hard work? Let's dive into the law of attraction, the intriguing principle that might hold the answers. The law of attraction, in its simplest form, is the belief that like attracts like. It suggests that our thoughts, emotions, and the energy we radiate out into the universe attract experiences of a similar frequency. This isn't about hoping for the best, it's about actively shaping the reality around us. So how can we harness this cosmic power to manifest our desires? There are a few key techniques to consider. First, visualization. Picture your dreams as if they've already materialized. This isn't idle daydreaming, it's about experiencing the emotions tied to your goals, as if they're already yours. The universe resonates with the feelings you emit. Then there are affirmations. These are positive statements, repeated often, that help to reprogram your subconscious mind. They reinforce beliefs that align with your desires. Your words and thoughts are powerful tools in shaping your reality. Another significant factor is gratitude. Showing appreciation for what we already have makes us a magnet for abundance. The universe responds by providing more to be thankful for, creating a cycle of positivity. A crucial aspect of the law of attraction is trust. Trust that the universe will bring your desires into reality. Letting go of the how and believing that what's meant for you will arrive at the right time allows the law of attraction to work its magic. Lastly, your actions must mirror your intentions. Take inspired steps towards your goals, maintaining a positive mindset throughout. This is the winning formula for success through the law of attraction. To summarize, the law of attraction is a powerful tool that allows you to design your life. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions, you can manifest a reality that mirrors your deepest aspirations. Thank you for embarking on this exploration of the law of attraction. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more enlightening content. Until next time, continue to attract greatness into your life.